Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of QuickBooks Online, showing you step by step how to add inventory products into your QuickBooks. Note that it is best practice to set up your sales tax before doing this. Now let's get started. Navigate to the Sales tab and then click on Products and Services. Now click on New tab here and then click on Inventory. Enter the name of the product. If you use a stock keeping unit, you can enter it here. You can also add a picture of inventory product here. Choose the category of product from here and then enter the initial quantity in hand. This will be the date of inventory count held. Reorder point is the minimum quantity you want to keep in hand before QuickBooks wants you to order more. This account tracks the value of all the inventory you have on hand. The description here will appear on all sales related documents. This will be the price you charge for the product. Income account tracks the revenue from sale of this product. You can add purchasing information here. Enter the cost of the product here. Assign a cost of goods sold account. If you have any preferred vendor, you can enter it here. Now click on Save and Close or Save and New if you want to add a new product. The new product added will be shown here. And there you have it. You've successfully added inventory product to your QuickBooks account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching.